Velaris is a three-tower luxury development located at the heart of Bridgetown Estate. And just like Rojas, it features private elevators for two-bedroom units and above, and semi-private elevators for one-bedroom units, elevating both convenience and exclusivity. When it comes to lifestyle, the Velaris offers 32 exceptional amenities, including a golf simulator, badminton, pickleball court, Japanese onsen, Olympic Land infinity pool, wet and dry saunas, a sky bar, and so much more. So if you're ready to experience a new level of luxury living, come visit our award-winning show gallery or schedule a private tour with me.